To simplify surds, all we need to do is to break down the numbers. We break it down into factors. Let me show you how. This is root 28. What are the two numbers that I need to multiply, which gives 28? I know that 4 times 7 is 28, so this becomes root 4 times 7. If I multiply this, I'm going to get this. Now, write down your plus. What are the two numbers I need to multiply that will give me 175? The two numbers are, I write my roots, 25 times 7. I write my minus sign. What are the two numbers I need to multiply to give me 63? The two numbers are what? 7 times 9. Do you understand? Now the next thing we need to do is to give individual numbers their own square roots. This and this, they are both sharing the square root, so we want to split. We want each numbers to have their own square root. So this becomes root 4. There is a multiplication sign, write it. Then root 7. There is an addition sign, write it. Then root 25. There is a multiplication sign, write it down. Then root 7. There is a subtraction sign, write it down. Root 7. There is a multiplication sign, write it down. And root 9. Now you can see that each numbers have their own square roots. Okay, so let's continue. Now, what is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. Write down your multiplication sign. What is the square root of 7? Square root of 7, it's gonna give us decimal numbers, and we are not interested in that, so we write it down. Plus square root of 5 is 5 times, we write down our root 7 minus, write down your root 7 times, what is the square root of 9? We know that the square root of 9 is 3. Next step, 2 times root 7 is 2 root 7. The number without the square root stays outside in front of the one with the square root. Okay, good. Write down your plus. 5 times root 7 becomes what? 5 root 7. Write down your minus sign. Root 7 times 3 becomes 3 root 7. Next step. If you look at the numbers in the square root, they are the same. They are what? They are the same. Whenever the numbers are the same, we can easily perform any operation. We can easily add, we can easily subtract. So all the numbers inside the square root, they are the same. So I write it down. Next step, I add the numbers in front of the square root. 2 plus 5 is what? Is 7. Then the 7 minus 3 is what? Is 4. So this is our final answer. Do you understand? Good.